The common story is that whenever your scale stops moving, it lasts. Reality is you're probably looking at the wrong number. I'm a software engineer trying to get to 15% body fat for the last 3 months. Now, for the last 3 weeks, my weight has stalled at 202 every single morning. At work, when a dashboard stops working, I don't delete the dashboard. I check to see if the data feeding the dashboard is okay, if the configuration is all right. So I gave Claude 3 weeks of my data and asked what's going on. And it gave me the answer in 5 seconds. It's due to water retention during fat loss. When a fat cell empties, it fills it up with water for 2 to 4 weeks before flushing it out. So I've already lost the fat, it's just my scale hasn't updated yet. Weight loss is asynchronous. You make the deposit today, the balance catches up next month. And most people quit during the week. This doesn't mean the scale is broken. It just means you're using a monthly instrument at a daily frequency. A morning weigh-in tells you about water and sodium. A 4-week trend tells you about the fat loss. One of those is signal, the other is noise. When one metric lags, don't rewrite the plan. Check to see if rest of your data agrees with it first.